Hello and welcome to the channel Mr. Linguist. Today this video lecture is going to be about syntax. We will be looking at the two definitions of syntax taken from the two popular sources. So before moving to the content, I would like you to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you could get the latest updates from our channel. Give us your feedbacks in the comment box and thumbs up the video. Syntax means sentence construction, how words group together to make phrases and sentences. Maggie Tallerman, 4th edition. Basically, let me introduce Maggie Tallerman. He is a sociolinguist, philosopher, who says in his book, Understanding Syntax, that syntax means sentence construction, the way in which sentences are constructed, or the way in which words are grouped together to make phrases and sentences, is all we study in syntax. To make it more simple, syntax means the construction of phrases and sentences from the smaller units like the words and morphemes. This is how Maggie Tallerman explains syntax. One who knows syntax or studies syntax is called a syntactician. We all know that one who studies linguistics is called a linguist. One who studies phonetics and phonology is called a phonetician. Similarly, one who is interested in syntax or one who is studying syntax is called a syntactician. So if you are interested in syntax or in the field of syntax, then congratulations, you are a syntactician. So in this way, we call a person syntactician who is expert at syntax or who is skilled at constructing sentences and phrases out of smaller units. So in a way, syntacticians are those who study syntax. Now coming towards the definition according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary. In this dictionary, it is written that in linguistics, the term syntax refers to the study of how words and morphemes are combined to form larger units such as phrases and sentences. Everyone knows that syntax is the field of linguistics, and it refers to the study of how words and morphemes means smaller units. As I previously told you that words and morphemes are smaller units, and out of them, if we make larger units like phrases and sentences, then the process will be called the syntax, or the study will be called the syntax. So in this way, this term syntax is the study of arrangement of words and morphemes for the construction of phrases and sentences. So I gave you a brief introduction of syntax. I hope you enjoyed the lecture, and now I want you to visit the playlist where you can get more videos on various fields of linguistics. Again, I remind you, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and give us your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and Jazakallah.